All right, today join me in making this cumin roasted cauliflower dish that's perfect for a kidney-friendly diet. It's a great side dish. You get a big portion. But first I want to ask you, why did the cauliflower bring a map? So it didn't get lost in the sauce. All right, so let's get moving. Make this delicious cauliflower with a nice zing of pepper and have a bite of this cumin roasted cauliflower for your next gathering. And you get a nice big portion. So let's go make this kidney-friendly dish. Hi there, I'm Mathea Ford with Renal Diet HQ. And today we're gonna make cumin roasted cauliflower. So let's go through the ingredients. We have a whole head of cauliflower here, olive oil. I've got pepper and there's our cumin, garlic, and some red pepper. Now, if you don't want that much red pepper because it can get a little spicy, then go ahead and dial that down. So let's put it all together. Really simple dish, really great side dish, and you're gonna enjoy it. So we're gonna put all the spices in the bowl first and mix them together with our olive oil. Okay, I'm just gonna stir these together and get everything blended well so it goes all over the cauliflower when we put it in there. All right, let's add our cauliflower. I've diced it up, it's still pretty big pieces. You can dice it up smaller if you want it smaller. Just take a minute to get that garlic on everything, get that oil everywhere to really coat that cauliflower. All right, so we preheated our oven to 450 degrees. I added aluminum foil. You can also add parchment paper to the bottom of the pan to kind of protect the cookie sheet. And we're just gonna put this in the pan, spread it out evenly so it gets a nice roasted flavor. And I'm gonna get every last little bit of that garlic out because I love garlic. All right, let's stick this in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Let the cauliflower get soft. Put it in there a little longer if you like your cauliflower softer, a little less if you like it crunchy. And then we're gonna take it out and have a taste. All right, we've got our cooked cauliflower with cumin. So I'm gonna take a couple pieces. You'd basically split this in half and eat half per person. Ooh, it's steaming hot. I really taste that cumin, and the red pepper comes out at the end like it's burning my tongue right now. I like that, but you may not. But this is delicious. You can really taste that cumin flavor, and it's very zesty, so it gives you that zing without the salt. So enjoy it for your next meal, and like and subscribe for more kidney-friendly recipes.